Hey, what's up, guys? Today I'm going to be installing some poly bushings in my control arms. From the last video that you saw when I installed the poly bushings in my subframe, which I have that right down here, it went pretty smoothly, and I hope it goes just as smooth today as it did last time. So anyway, today I have the SuperPro bushings. These are supposed to be really good bushings. They cost a little bit more, but the quality that I get from it is really good. Anyway, I already opened up the package. I wanted to skim through the instructions to see if I needed to take out just the rubber in the old bushings and keep the shell in there, like the steel shell. I didn't know if they needed the steel shell in there and then insert the bushing, but reading the instructions, just take the whole bushing out. You prep the surface on the inside, make sure it's nice and clean, and then you pop the new poly bushings in. It's about that simple. So anyway, let's get started. All right, now that I got you on my head, there's one thing I want to say about the SuperPro bushings compared to the Strong Flex. I wish SuperPro would send stickers like Strong Flex does. I really like stickers. It's pretty cool. But, I mean, it's not that big of a deal. Anyway, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to start by taking out the old bushings. I need to take this off. I should have done that way beforehand, but it's pretty lazy. Sometimes that's how you have to do it. I believe these are the OEM sway bar end links. 30 years old. Now, if you don't have access to an impact gun, you can try to take it down to a shop, see if they can just take it off for you. They might charge you, they might not. Or you can try heating it up with a torch, or you can cut off the end and it should just slip right off. All right, time to knock out these old bushings. Alright guys, I'm at a stopping point, as you probably saw. I can't get those bushings out. I need to go get them pressed out at a shop somewhere. So I'm gonna have to do that Monday. So yeah, that kind of sucks. I'll get those taken to a shop, get those pressed out, and then we shall pick up where I start installing them. So yeah, anyway, that will be day 2. What's up, guys? Today is day 2 of trying to get the bushings out of the control arms. I called a shop. They said that they can do it today, so I got them all loaded up. Okay, so I just got done prepping my lower control arms to get the new bushings in. I I didn't notice this until like after I got back. The guy said that it was really hard to get the bushings out. He didn't tell me that he cut into the inner bushing area and he left a pretty good groove. It's on a lot of them. So I've been spending the past like 40 minutes using a file to get rid of the burr, try to smooth out the edges, going over it with a bunch of sandpaper. Now it's smooth. I don't think the poly bushings are gonna tear now. Kind of wish he would have showed me that, but he just showed me a couple of the sides that didn't have any damage on them. So that was pretty annoying. If I would have had my own press, I would have pressed these out pretty easily. But anyway, let's just go ahead and install the new bushings. Alright, so on the SuperPro bushings, there's this steel inner arm, or the inner arm, steel inner like washer that goes around it. These ones go on the front, and then the ones without the steel go on the back. And then afterwards, these get inserted, and then yeah, we should be good to go. Okay, so the grease goes inside the arm. Oh wow. That went in pretty good. Sweet. All right. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and grease that control arm, throw those bushings in, and then the remainder of the grease, I'm gonna slap them in on the inside of the bushings. It just seems like I don't have enough grease. All right, all done. That wasn't too bad. I got literally just enough grease in that packet. I wish they would have had a second packet, or like even like a bigger packet. That way to ensure you have exactly or more than enough grease. Part of this like the inner sleeve, it was a little difficult to get on. Not too bad. You just had to push it. You'll feel like resistance because since these are two-piece, you feel it want to like push this other one out. So you gotta kind of hold this side and then push the metal in. And then, as you saw, I just used my boot and I stepped on it and it worked. So yeah, that's it, guys. Control arms are all done. Wasn't too bad, like I said before. If you guys like the video, leave a thumbs up. Want to see more videos like this, or follow my Supra build, go ahead and subscribe. Click that bell so you don't miss out on any future videos I put out. And yeah, you guys have a good day.